had about 200 girls at the Palam airport then. For their t-shirts. So that was a very a big high for me for a 20-year-old boy. I mean, anybody would, get a little bit out of this one. So Bobby was something that happened out of the blue. It was a Raj Kapoor film. Raj Kapoor had made a very young, youthful film at that age. He was not even 50. And people said that Raj Kapoor still thought young he could make films. People had written him off after Mera Joker. But then it was a Raj Kapoor victory. That film was all the way Raj Kapoor. So I basked in his glory. I took away a little bit of, and as a matter of fact, I was probably the first young, real teenage actor who became, a so-called star. But nonetheless, the glory, the film was all because of Mr. Raj Kapoor, obviously.
But you persisted, and from that high, it would have seemed that there was one way to go. You could have gone down, but powerful, influential, glamorous family. You were an actor in your own right, and you've been in performance for many, many years. What was that moment like, and how has it changed you?
All I can say, I was very lucky that I came into this family. I hope they don't have these genes.
Good food, good drink, that's very much the Kapoor way of life. Huge hospitality, larger than life emotions. But how is...
Everybody is so full of love, so full of life, that you don't need anyone else around you.
What about you, Rishi? How is...
They were not employed by the companies. अब आगे जाके मेरे ख्याल में जो भी कपूर अगर एक्टर बनेगा, so the lady luck factor also is very important in today's times. It's not only talent, it's not only that you have a name plate of a Kapoor, that there is stardom guaranteed, or there is public life. It's sheer hard work and honesty and commitment from your side as an actor towards the audience. I'm sure like sometimes, but आज की तारीख में lady luck also plays a very important part in any actor's life. That's what I think. Well, yes, I was trying to be a little diplomatic, but it does.
But you still haven't answered my question. You speak of the slogan, the privilege. Has been Kapoor's a place which had a mirror? And you would look into the mirror, and my father always said, yeah.
Sashi, I'm going back to our school days.